Okay, so you're having issues with VLC Player and it's not playing videos or not working. I have a solution for you. It's very simple. The first thing you have to do is to open VLC and Media Player. And once you're here, you have to go to Help and press Check for Updates to check if you have the latest version. If you have the latest version, just do the next thing. But if you don't, update and then follow these steps. You have to go to Tools and Preferences. And once you are here, you have to go to here, reset preferences. When you press it, you press OK, and next you have to do is go back to preferences or Control P. Then have to go to video. Now here you have to press here in output. You have to change from automatic to one of these options, but I recommend to use Direct 3D 11 or OpenGL video output for Windows. In my case, I'm going to pick Direct 3D 11. So you are going to save it, go back to preferences and press this button here. All. Now you have to find input codecs, then video codecs, expand it and press FFmpeg. Once you're here, you have to enable the skip the loop filter for H.264 decoding. Press all. And that will be everything. So if this video helped you to make VLC player work, I will like you to give me a like, subscribe, share and comment, and see you in another easy way video. Goodbye.